Is localized application logic pathing failed due to the Vita Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. To kick off the manual repair for Vita Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Vita Library, a specialized Vita Media Engine library. Associated with Sony PlayStation-to-PC porting tools, it manages unmanaged audio and video synchronization and proprietary Sony media format decoding for desktop ports. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Because Vita Library DLL is specific to the localized application logic runtime environment, standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program where the error occurs to refresh the application and restore the file. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Vita library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Most individual downloads of Vita Library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Vita Library and maintaining system health. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Vita Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support